Hi Python and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of July is going to be for you. I'm making videos a little early so that all of you get your readings on time this month and I don't have to compile the videos and make the videos together. I like making videos like this and I know you like getting your videos like this. So month of July. Month of July is the month where pace is going to be very important. Choices are going to be very important. So there are two big things in this month where one, in the beginning of the month there are going to be some like a reconstruction rejuvenation, rebuilding. So definitely there are going to be some energy where some things might just fall out, some things might just happen in a different way where you have to rebuild yourself or rebuild your things or rebuild your energy in a different way, rejuvenate your energy, and there will be a reason for doing that in the beginning of the month. During the month the pace is going to be very important, and when I'm saying pace is going to be very important, there will be parts of the month where you'll have to make decisions faster, where you'll have to do things faster. There will be times of the month where you'll have to do things very very slowly, very very balanced way. Mostly it has to be slow and balanced, but in between you will have to make that choice where you might have to go a little faster also. Month of balance, month of being very careful, month of making the right choices, month of seeing the light or by yourself that you show to others, and month where you practice what you preach. And if you do that, then end of the month there is new energy, new beginnings, fresh new growth that is happening for you this month. If you can avoid getting onto public places, lockdown has already opened up, but your cards are saying that you should not be part of any kind of celebrations or public places or events. And if you can avoid doing the same in your own house or within your own family also, if you can, if it is possible. Let's just start with your health. From the health perspective, one, heart health is going to be very important, so take care of your heart health. Second, water intake, take care of having pure clean clear water. Third, take care of your hormonal balance. That's going to be another thing that is going to be important, so take care of your hormonal balance and your hormones. So these are few things that I need you to take care of this month, because this is the month where the energy is such that the more you balance yourself, the better it is, especially with regards to your diet, with regards to your emotions, with regards to your and hormones are directly connected to your emotions. So emotions are going to be very very important this month, are going to be playing important role, so take care of yourself from that perspective. If we talk about your wealth or money, from your wealth or money perspective, first of all, I feel that this is the month where I see only one pentacle card. So there is only 8 of pentacle that I have here. Now with the 8 of pentacle, the thing is you need to keep on working on the things that you are working on already. So don't give up, keep working on things. There is a possibility where in the beginning of the month something happens where you had to spend a lot of money, so there could be some kind of, like I said, that some kind of, because if you see in this tower card, some damage has happened to the tower and now there are people who are repairing that damage. Okay, so that's why something might happen in the beginning of the month where you have to spend the money into repairing, rejuvenating, recreating something or somebody's health or some kind of event in the beginning of month. That can happen, but during the month you will have to ensure that you balance your energies. You don't spend just like that, you don't spend carefree. So balance that, that's going to be important. Second, if you're making any investments this month, don't be into a hush hush, don't be into the rush energy. Balance yourself very well. If you want to make investments, make the slow investments. If you already made investments, don't pull them out just like that. They will give you results in long run, but don't pull them out just like that before they are mature. So that's another thing that you need to take care of. Another thing that I don't want to miss is that I have a card of 5 of swords, and if you see, there are people who are gambling and there's somebody who's win the gamble, and there are 3 people who are at loss and they're crying or they're sad or they're kind of something important has gone away from their hands. Now in this month, what I'm going to tell you is that this month you have to be very careful as to what kind of methods do you want to put to earn your money. So don't do anything which is a shortcut, don't go for anything which is a shortcut, don't go for anything that you already know that this is not right. You might just get money faster, but this is not right. So make correct choices, because there's 7 of cups also, and in these 2 cards, what is the possibility is that you might end up doing something while under the influence of addiction, or while under the influence of some kind of a person who is giving you short term like who's telling you that you can earn this much in this much of time, or giving you shortcuts for money earning. Don't get into that this month. Ensure that your energies are very balanced and you're not getting into that. That is very very important in terms of money this month. If we talk about your love or relationships, I feel this month relationships are all going to be about reconstructions, recreating, rebalancing, reshaping. It's rejuvenating. So you have to ensure that whatever damage that has been done into your relationships in the past, especially if it is about your marriage or if it is about your love relationships, whatever damage that has been done in the past, you will have a chance to actually clear all that damage. You will have a chance to actually balance all that damage. But what you will have to do is be very balanced. Communicate very very clearly. Communicate in very very less words but very careful words. Don't rush into saying something, don't rush into telling something, don't rush into proposing, don't rush into taking the relationship forward. Because if you see, this person is carrying a cup, and because the horse is running, the water is actually falling out of the cup. So by the time he'll reach wherever he has to, the cup already will be empty, and then there's no use of reaching where you're reaching with this cup. And that's why you need to ensure that you're very balanced, you're going slow, you're going in balance. There is no hush hush, there is no rush. You don't have to propose somebody and get married to that person in the same month, or you don't have to, if you've already proposed somebody, told your parents get married only in this month. So this month is not the month for marriage. Avoid marriage this month and try to take things slow, one step at a time. In other relationships also, otherwise, make correct choices and have your relationships balanced. So don't get into any kind of fights, don't get into any kind of arguments, don't get into any kind of things like, oh, this is what my expectation was, this is what you did. And don't get into all that zone this month. If possible, balance your energies and practice what you preach. So if you're trying to tell the other person how the other person should behave, first of all, add those things into your own behavior. That's going to be important for this for relationships this month. Marriage, I already said a no this month. For pregnancy, the chances are there. It's a positive month for pregnancy, but you'll have to keep yourself very much into the balance. That's going to be very important, and away from addictions. That's another thing that's going to be important. If I talk about your job or career, from job or career perspective, I feel that in the beginning of the month, because I said there is kind of a energy which is ending of something, beginning of something, shedding away old skin and getting into something new. There is a possibility that your present job, or if you were jobless, there is a possibility of you getting a new job, because there is already a reconstruction that is happening. If you're already in a job, there is a possibility that you might end up losing your job, but you will get another one. So the work will continue, the work will not stop. If you're already working, everything is going fine, there is a possibility of growth also, but that growth you will be able to see towards the end of the month. But during the month, ensure that you're not falling for false promises, you're not falling for shortcuts, you're not saying anything wrong about anybody, you're not leaving your projects midway because you think that they're not going to give you results. You are listening to your guides, you're listening to your seniors very very carefully, you're taking all the guidance very very clearly. You're not into the rush of kind of completing something, whatever happens, but I need to complete this, because then you're going to miss some important points, and then whatever you complete is going to be useless. It will not lead to celebration. If you want things to lead to celebration this month, take it very very slow, very very balanced, work on everything very very carefully. Don't rush into anything. Balance is going to be super important this month. For your business also, I would say this month, don't go for anything that is not right, that is not moral, that's not legal, that's not correct. And ensure that you're going with integrity, ensure that you're going with making right choices. It's going to be very important. You don't have to shut down your business, you don't have to end doing what you were doing, you can actually continue doing what you're doing. Make more effort. Celebration is going to come, new beginnings are going to come, the growth is going to come, but it's going to take time. So don't another thing that is very important is, don't celebrate a premature thing. So ensure that once you're done with everything that you were meant to, once you've done your hard work, once you've seen the results, then you get into celebration, not before that. Same is true with your work, job, exams, anything that you want to go ahead with. Don't celebrate prematurely. And another thing that is important is that this month, ensure that you don't get into the celebration mode. Like, I'm not saying don't celebrate small little things. What I'm saying is that if you're waiting for something big to have, any big event to kind of get into, this is not the month. So that's one thing that you need to take care of. If I talk about students, for students, study is going to be very important. Putting your effort into the right direction is going to be very important. Making your choices clearly is going to be very important. This month, don't try not to go out, not to spend time, a lot of time with your friends or people outside. Yes, you can do group studies, but that has to be online, and not more than 2 people if possible. Otherwise, if you can, like, do those things independently, study by yourself, or just have like another person with you as a teammate and then study, that's going to be good. Don't go for shortcuts this month, very important. If I talk about soul purpose or soul lesson this month, integrity is one thing that is very, very important. So look at your life, look at how you have been living your life. What have you done which is not correct? What choices have you made which are not correct? Are you going to make the same choices moving forward as well? This is the month where you have to actually sit and think about how have you led your life so far, and what were your motives, what were the things that you wanted to do, and how do you want to lead your life forward. And that's going to change a lot about your life. If I talk about number of the month is number 9 this month. Chakra of the month, heart chakra and sacral chakra, both are going to be very important. Meditations are there on the channel. Meditate for these two chakras. Color of the month, green and orange, both are the colors which are going to be good. Mental exercise of the month, I have the card which is number 19, number 10. It is flexibility, and flexibility is going to be very important this month. Like I said, this month you will see suddenly things kind of moving away. So suddenly things falling away, suddenly a reconstruction happening, suddenly a guide coming into your life, suddenly things going faster, suddenly things going slower. So there is a lot that is happening this month for you. Flexibility is what will keep you going. So keep telling yourself and that I'm flexible. I know what is happening in the divine way. It is best for me, and I allow myself to be flexible and move forward with the change. That's going to be very, very important for you this month. This month I'm taking out, I have taken out one card from Spirit Messages, because due to COVID and other things, everyone has lost somebody or the other in their life. So for the message for you is support. It says people come into your life for many different reasons. Some you learn from and then they move on, while others return often because you need to learn from them, from those individuals. Others remain beside you throughout their entire life or throughout your entire life. So basically, people come in different ways. Some people will be there and always be there with you. Some people will come and then they will move away from your life. Some people will come, they'll go away, they'll come back into your life. All of this is dependent upon what is the lesson that you have attached with this person. And that is why flexibility is important, and thinking about it and making the right choices are important. Look at people in your life, if they have left you literally or otherwise, or if they are kind of coming back, similar people, same kind of situation, same kind of story, and see what is your learning from that. What is it that you are not learning? Learn that and you will move towards a fresh start for your life. This month I took out surrender card for you, and the surrender message is surrender stress. It says take a few deep breaths and exhale the tension you have built up in your body. Let the stress go as you come back to your center. And that's why if sacral chakra is important for you, being at your center is going to be very important for you, because a lot of changes. So if you take stress, you will not be able to move forward smoothly through these changes. But if you don't take stress, these are going to go very, very smooth, and ultimately you will have a fresh energy for yourself, a new beginning for yourself, and a new growth for yourself. So be rest assured that the month is very, very good. All you need to do is balance yourself and take the pace, and also practice what you preach is going to be the mantra of this month. I'm going to take out one life card for you, and before I do that, I will request you if you can share the video with people if you like it, and subscribe the channel. And there are a lot of videos on my channel about positivity, about tarot reading, about soul growth, about everything under the sun, and you can learn a lot from them. And the intention is to let through my guides are the ones who are telling these things, and the intention is to have everyone else help awaken as and when I am doing it. So just leave your feedback and share the videos with everyone else when you get time. Let's see what is the message for you guys. Message for Piscean for the month of... Okay, so there are two sets which came out, so I'm going to put this across because these are too many, and there are two cards that I see. Okay, so wow. So okay, so the cards that I have, again, 7 plus 2 is 9. Your number of the month is 9. There is 7 of swords and there is 2 of cups. Now this month is the month, like I said, of choices. How do you want to move ahead? What do you want to do? Do you want to do something that is not right? Do you want to get into something where you end up doing a wrong thing? Or this could also be right, where you are actually taking away some information or taking away some kind of a like a thing that belongs to you from somebody else, but that other person also knows about it, right? There is an alarm that is being raised. And that is why this is the month where you balance your energies, where you actually make the right choices, work with other people, work with two is something that I see very very clearly on this card. And not talking about big group, like 2 people is fine. Otherwise, if you want to be by yourself, ensure that you're taking the right path, ensure that you're taking the right steps, ensure that you're not getting into something that you should not get into, you're not making the choices that you should not make. That's one thing that you have to very very be careful of. Okay, so that's how the month is for you. The cards that I've used, these are Angel Tarot Red. I'm sorry, I'm not at my place. These are Angel Tarot card deck. This is Wisdom of Oracle deck. This is Spirit Messages, and this is the Power of Surrender cards. So if you want to know more than this, you can contact with me through sorry. So if you want to know more than this, you can contact with me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. And thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. My daughter is crying. Bye bye.